This is immigration attorney Heather Poole. I'm talking to you today about a sticky situation called divorce and annulment. These are common questions that I get every day in my practice. So divorce, what do you need to know? Well, if you're being sponsored by someone for an immigration benefit, such as a green card, getting divorced is going to stop that from happening. But let's say you've already gotten your green card, but you have a conditional card. Immigration is going to wonder why you're getting divorced so quickly after you received your green card. So it's going to be a major red flag to them. Timing can be crucial. So you need to have a reasonable explanation as to why you're separating, whether the two of you have gone through counseling or tried to work it out. And also you need to account for why you are leaving before the condition has been removed. Annulment can be even a trickier situation, because annulment is usually done by one party when the other party doesn't know that the annulment's been filed. It usually happens when one party, the immigrant for instance, leaves the house and disappears or goes to another state for their own safety in most situations, such as in domestic violence situations. The problem with annulment in most states is that you have to have particular grounds for annulment, whether it's fraud, abuse. These are typical grounds, and you want to make sure that when you look at annulment paperwork that your spouse has not received an annulment based on fraud, because then you're going to have a difficult time explaining to immigration that you didn't marry her or him for the green card. So always when you find out if there's an annulment involved or it's been done against your knowledge, you need to talk to a family lawyer in your state. That is priority number one. They need to tell you whether or not anything can be done to reopen the case or what your legal options are. Similarly, if an annulment has been filed but it's not yet finalized, you may have options to get the court to dismiss the annulment and just allow you to file a dissolution or a basic divorce. Again, a family lawyer in your state is critical to making this happen. Your family lawyer, whoever you decide to hire, should be willing to work with your immigration lawyer to make sure that everything goes as smoothly as possible and your immigration status is not jeopardized. Even people who get divorced soon after they get their green cards may have immigration options. Give us a call if this pertains to you or if you need my help.